Hello friend, now we are going to start the reproductive health. So it is a health process related to the reproduction. It is related to the male as well as reproductive organ part. So a reproductive health is the well-being of body, mind and as well as reproductive parts. So it is a well-being of the reproductive part, reproductive body part. So this is called reproductive health. So in reproductive health, mainly we control the birth rate, natality rate. So this is control the population at a type of the family planning program that is called birth control. So this is the birth control. So how we control the birth rate or natality rate, natality rates. So this is the program to control the birth to maintain the population. So and also we maintain the reproductive health of the woman. So now we start the birth control. So in birth control there are two types, temporary method and permanent method. Temporary method means temporary control of the birth. Okay. So it is a temporary control, and permanent it is a finally control or finally block the fertilization as well as implantation process to prevent the birth rate, prevent the birth rate. So now we start there are various methods involved. First is natural method, second barrier method, third chemical method, fourth hormonal method and subcutaneous implant as well as intrauterine method, and lastly oral contraceptive. These are the temporary method to control the birth. One we start the natural temporary method in natural method. So in natural method we first periodic abstain. So it is a periodic abstain. So it is to the through the process of the ovarian cycle or a menstrual cycle. So in 28 days period, in mid days ovulation takes place. So ovulation takes place means release of the ova. So ova, the life process of ova, the lifespan of ova or egg is up to 48 hours. So before ovulation, so before 2 days and after 2 days ovulation, so it will maintain or it will considered as a unsafe period, and before 2 or after 2 days of ovulation it is safe period. So during safe period you are for contraceptives and intercourse going on. So this method, periodic abstinence method, a person who knows the periodic abstinence method, so it is better for prevent the fertility rate or prevent the conception or also prevent fertilization process. Next one, coitus interruptus. So coitus in coitus interruptus, it is a during the copulation or intercourse. So before prior to the ejaculations, so withdrawal of the male genitalia or penis. So this is the coitus interruptus method. And third one is a lactational amenorrhea after deliver the baby or during the parturition process and delivered baby up to 6 months. Milk synthesis under influence of prolactin takes place. So there is no ovulation takes place. So this is the method. It occurs up to 4 to 6 months after parturition or delivered baby. So this is the natural method. Another one is the barrier method. So barrier method, it is a protecting sheath or cover or rubber sheath are used. So in males, so mainly the condoms are used. So there are various type of condoms available in the market. In female, so both are open, both end are open. It is called femidomes. So this is both are the elastic sheath or elastic covering sheath, rubber latex sheath also. Second is diaphragm. So it is a rubber cap like a structure which is covered over the uterus. It is a so big cap. So another one is cervical cap. So cervical cap fit at the region of the cervix. So posterior part of the uterus after the vagina. So it is a miniature diaphragm, and another one is a wall cap which fitted over the vagina. So, it is a hemisphere like structure. So, this is all are barrier devices or a cover sheath devices are used. Another one is chemical methods. In chemical method we are using the spermicidal. So, when the semen discharge into the female genital tract, so we uses like cream, tablet, foam which contain the chemical boric acid, citric acid, lactic acid that neutralize the or that kill the sperm. So, it acts as a spermicide. Another one is hormonal injection. So, hormonal injection we use progesterone or synthetic progesterone. We use in hormonal injection 3 months, it used for 3-month period. So, synthetic hormone releases slowly and which prevent the ovulation process. So, this hormonal injection also used for 3 months. And another is subcutaneous implant. So, subcutaneous implant which is a type of dermal device are used. So, are grafting in the skin, under the skin, which contains 6 mesh capsule which used for the 5 years, and these 6 capsule contain synthetic progesterone which release slowly, and up to 5 years it prevent ovulation. So, it also prevent. And another one is in mainly very successful method, that is called intrauterine device. So, IUD method. In IUD method it is very successful method in India. It is copper T. So, copper T is very famous or successful of Indian government or family planning method. So, it is a type of device which is inserted into the uterus by the professional medical staff or doctor. So, it contains copper releasing ion. So, copper releasing ion which prevent or which disturb which helps in immortality of the spermatozoa, and hormonals which reduce the implantation process. So, these are the various type of intrauterine devices. So, in intrauterine device में copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375 are used. In hormonal IUD, LNG, progestin are used which prevent the implantation process. So, these are the various. Another one is oral contraceptive pills. क्या बोलते हैं? This is oral contraceptive pills. These pills contain 3. One is mini pills, combined pills, and another one is emergency pills. So, in mini pills contain progesterone only. In mini pills contain progesterone only. इसमें is taken weekly, only week, 1 week. ठीक है. So, one of the mini pills is Saheli, which is designed and developed in CDRI Lucknow. Combined pills is combination of the progesterone as well as estrogen. In this pills contain Mala D, Mala M, like this. On emergency pills is emergency condition you use is a morning after pills, or this pills are also called pills 72, pills 72. ठीक है. So, it used within the 72 hours of intercourse. After 72 hour intercourse, before 72 hours of intercourse issued. So, it is all about related to the different types of contraceptive device, pills, hormones, and another device method which is used internally to the female genital tract, also used in externally like rubber sheath. So, these are the protective device used in reproductive health and control the population and as well as family planning process. So, this is here. Okay, thank you.